Hi, I'm Derek Kosteller, Product Test Engineer at Trelleborg Sealing Solutions. Throughout the tank car industry, Manway covers are a leading cause of non-accidental release incidents, often due to improper bolt tightening, loose fasteners, or damaged and misaligned gaskets. To solve this problem, Union Tank Car Company and PROX collaborated with Trelleborg to design an innovative Manway cover sealing solution, designed to improve sealing reliability and operational efficiency. This robust, reusable seal is installed in a simplified cover that is secured by 3 total bolts without compromising durability or safety. Because the sealing solution is reusable, fewer changeouts save time and money. The new advanced 3-bolt Manway cover and seal design targets the reduction of the root causes of non-accidental release incidents. Several key innovations over traditional Manway covers and flat gaskets were incorporated to enhance sealing functionality and securement, reliably achieving a more consistent seal in less time while mitigating loose fasteners and cover seal misalignment. Unlike traditional hinged and bolted Manway cover gasket sealing solutions, our cover features a spring-energized lip seal developed by Trelleborg. The seal was specifically designed for tank car applications and adapted to meet the needs of our industry. It uses an integrated spring that deflects inside an elastomer jacket when compressed, ensuring uniform circumferential sealing surface contact. And as closing cover contacts the nozzle, chamfered edges self-center the cover and seal into concentric alignment with the nozzle, establishing metal-to-metal contact between the closed cover and the tank car nozzle. Positive metal-to-metal stops optimally compress the seal with every closure while also protecting it from overcompression, ensuring a reliable seal for longer-term repeated use. We've bolstered the durability and efficiency of key assembly contact areas. In comparison to traditional 6 or 8 bolt cover designs, the 3-bolt Manway cover reduces the number of eye bolts to simplify the torque pattern. We've increased the flange thickness of our deflection-resistant eye bolt lugs, reducing bent ears and cover deformation. The durable spring-energized elastomer is designed for use over multiple cycles. Because this design differs from traditional limited-use gaskets used in 6 or 8 bolt solutions, it's important to thoroughly inspect the seal between cycles to identify when a seal requires replacement and understand how to properly change out a defective seal. We've established recommended inspection and maintenance best practices. The closed seal connection between the steel Manway cover and tank car nozzle incorporates metal-on-metal contact or a positive stop, which provides several functional benefits. The contact repeatedly and reliably sets the optimal seal compression height while protecting the seal from overcompression. The cover is optimized for torque retention, enabling bolts to achieve proper stretch and torque. This mitigates loose fasteners and alleviates compression stress on the seal. Unlike traditional systems, establishing the required gasket compression is less reliant on the uniform tightening of the eye bolts. The metal-on-metal contact and seal spring assembly maintain the proper sealing contact. Understanding the position of a properly seated seal in the cover groove is crucial for reliable operation. Confirm the proper placement of the seal. The seal will sit slightly raised in the cover lid when properly seated. When installed correctly, the outer diameter cover groove and the outer diameter seal create a flat profile. Inspect the installation by verifying that the circumference of the flat area of the seal is flush with the cover at all points. Twisting, bulging, and unintended overlaps in the seal interfere with the metal-on-metal connection and need to be addressed by either reseating or, if necessary, replacing the seal. Conduct a visual inspection of the seal. Look for defects such as cuts or nicks on the exposed sealing lip surfaces. Ensure there is no debris embedded in the spring or the inner elastomer jacket. As necessary, wipe down the exposed area of the cover nozzle using a clean cloth to ensure proper sealing. Should an inspected seal require replacement, locate one of the 3 removal cutouts around the outer diameter of the cover groove. The slots are designed to insert a tool to help remove the seal without contacting the cover groove. A brass removal tool or other non-sharp, soft tool is recommended to gently lift and pry out the seal of the cover groove. Carefully remove a new seal from the packaging. Take care not to puncture, scratch, or otherwise damage the seal. Determine the orientation of the seal to ensure it is right side up. Locate the retention feature, a small protruding ridge around the outer diameter of the seal. This is the widest section. The upper section of the ridge is what locks into the cover groove. Orient the seal so that the retention feature on the outer diameter enters the groove first. This is the proper install direction. Remember, the critical areas on the cover and the seal must be installed flush during this process. The outer diameter of the cover groove and the outer diameter of the seal create a flat profile when installed correctly. Identify equally spaced points on the Manway cover to evenly distribute the seal installation to prevent stretching or compression around the circumference of the cover groove. In this example, we've identified 4 points. Begin with 1 point, for example, the top center 12 o'clock location. Angle the seal with the retention feature pointing into the groove, rotating slightly as insertion depth increases. Apply pressure to the unseated external part of the seal until this region plus an inch or 2 on both sides of the point is fully seated. Confirm that the flat of the seal is fully aligned and flush to the cover surface. Repeat this step for the 3 previously identified evenly spaced locations. We recommend installing the second section on the opposite side of the cover groove, followed by the 2 midpoints of the remaining spans. Identify one of the remaining uninstalled seal sections between 2 installed flush sections. Press the seal in at the midpoint of that section and finish the section before moving on to the next. Move around the cover and repeat these steps to complete the installation. Finally, inspect the installation by verifying that the circumference of the flat area of the seal is flush with the cover at all points. Check for defects, cuts, or nicks. If you encounter a bulging section that does not easily go into place, do not try to force that section into place. Carefully remove the seal and begin the installation process again. Create an even spacing between installation points. Give the seal one last inspection to ensure that the visible sealing lip areas were not damaged during the installation. This durable sealing solution is designed to last for multiple use cycles with minimal degradation and compression set due to typical operational wear and tear, saving operational time while delivering a safer, more reliable solution to securing Manway covers. By following these inspection and installation best practices for the 3-bolt Manway cover, you're optimizing performance and safety. For additional information, consult manufacturer technical support for more in-depth understanding of proper inspection and maintenance procedures. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or need further assistance, reach out to your Trelleborg or Union Tank Car representative.